Welcome back to Guitalele tutorials. Today I am not going to show you any particular finger picking pattern or traditional chord. Instead, what I am going to show you is a particular shape or chord shape that you can play over on top of the whole fingerboard, and then you can get a great chord progression for your melodic background track or backing track or any kind of Guitalele instrumental. Okay. The trick is we are going to hold any fret using the index finger on the fourth string. So for example, let's say I am using the second fret on the fourth string using the index finger, and then the ring finger should go to 2 frets higher on the third string. So if I am holding 2 here on this fourth string, I should be holding the 4th fret of the third string. Or let's say if I slide 2 frets higher, so my index finger is now 4th string, 4th fret, and while my ring finger is on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Okay, and we can play any finger picking pattern that uses 4 strings. So you can start from the 4th string, 4 3 2 1. We are leaving these top 2 strings, we are not playing them. Okay, and the first and second strings are open. Okay, so in the intro I was just using the brush finger picking pattern. So now let's start with the 5 4 3 5 4 3 5 1 4 2 3 pattern. Okay, I'll start with this second fret. Okay, and then now if I want to get a new chord onto this, I can slide 2 fret and I get this 4th fret index finger and 6th fret on the ring finger in the 3rd string. Okay, and you can slide over the whole fretboard. So you can do this sliding on all over the fretboard, but here are some that I found is very good. It sounds good to me, at least to my ears. So those are on the second fret index finger and 4th fret index finger, 6th fret index finger, 7th fret index finger. So here it is on this dot, 7th fret index finger, and 9th fret index finger is also there. Okay, and beyond that you can play, but it's pretty difficult and the fingers get cramped. So let's say I want to do it on the 10th fret. So now you can see that my fingers are cramping, and 11th fret or something like that if I try to do, it's literally difficult because my guitalele is not cut away, so you'll feel difficulty playing those chords. So better you can suggest on the 2 4 6 7 and 9th fret. Okay, and if you need to know the name, if you want to know the name, the second fret one, it's basically F5 chord, and the 4th one is the F sharp minor 11, and 6th fret is the A major 7, and 7th fret is the D sus 2, and the 9th fret is the E sus 4. Okay, so that's how the note arrangements are, the chord arrangements are, and this can result in a very good chord progression. I hope you will try it and let me know. Thank you.